Okay, so now that you're ready to have it all sent out, what is the setup, how to take the actual tripod? First thing to do is that what you want to do is that you remove this little shoe, open that up, check that out, okay? And afterwards you set that onto the actual video camera itself. So if you turn the video camera upside down, you should see those little notch and the screw. So this over here goes into that black hole. So if I go like this, put it in there, just need to screw this. Don't need to really tight it, but it's like really, as long as it doesn't move too much, okay? And afterwards, you just take your tripod, okay? And then what you do is that you align this part over here first. Let me just try to set that up, okay? Open the gate, close it, make sure it's secure, and now you can actually handheld it. So now, which part of the tripod that you actually need to unscrew? This over here is very simple. When you unscrew this handle, it goes up and down, okay? You want to make sure that it's not really loose, so it goes really floppy. Make sure it's kind of tight, that you have to push it just a little bit so it's going to make it really smooth. If you are into a set of direct footage like the B-roll, you probably want to set that up tight enough. Don't need to be really tight, just as long as it doesn't move. The other part is just that if you are going to pan either left and right, you unscrew this, same thing, and you just test it out. So it's going to be like, you don't have to push it in order to move, but it's going to keep it smooth. So therefore, don't over tight it or don't make it too loose, because then it's going to be too easy to move it, and then it's going to look drastic, kind of like movement. This over here, this one is just to make sure that this is level, okay? So either up or down, so this is set, and then after that you just tight it and leave it like that. The other part that you want to have, probably some of you, so I'm going to open this up. So I open it right to the bottom of this part over here. It's the, if you are interviewing someone that's really tall, you have this knob over here, you unscrew this, and you can actually just open this little kind of lever, and it just starts to open up. As you can see, it starts to rise. So the height that you want to have is definitely close to eye level, okay? And afterwards, like, it depends on to the height or the mechanic. It's either going to be twisted or like a quick release over here. So if you go like this and a quick release, and removes right to the bottom. So just, I'm going to set it up off camera. You might hear the little bang. So over here. So what you're looking at right now is a perfect setup camera to take some footage. There's also, like, if you look at how the actual legs are set up, it's set up to make sure that the person can stand in between those two legs. Okay, that's why. And you have the leg towards the subject that you want to use, or you're doing interviews. So therefore, that makes it way more stable. And that's how easy it is.